What's up, guys? We're back. What are we doing today?
Today we have parts from the powder coating guys.
FSD. Pat is in the house. Come over here, Pat. What's up, guys? All right. So what do you got for us?
Hey guys. All right. We got a whole bunch of engine parts.
So if you remember, pretty much everything on this bike was chrome. And when we'll be done with it, hopefully there will be no chrome at all. So Pat, tell us kind of what powder you used and the process behind what you did here.
So we used standard gloss black for this with additional clear coat. Everything's cleared to make sure that basically because it's going to see the road, it helps against stone chips, wear and tear long term and everything like that.
Nice.
So yeah, it's got the highest gloss finish we got.
That's freaking sweet.
That is awesome.
Massive upgrade over chrome.
Oh yeah.
So you can see the awesome masking job here that Pat did. So all the holes were plugged before powder went on, masked underneath so we don't have any issues with sealing, because this actually sandwiches with another part like that.
All right. I think we got it all.
Nice.
That part there. Oh, this is gonna look really good.
Yeah. Awesome.
Cool.
All right, well,
And we start assembling again.
time to put it all back together. So, what's going on?
All right, so we got all the rear end apart because we finally got our kit from Clockworks. So we have the filler pieces and those brackets that eliminate this ugly license plate hoop. So that was protruding out of the rear end here and it was pretty ugly. So we're getting rid of this. Long awaited. So I'll show you what it looks like with this filler piece in. So essentially what this kit does is that it fills in the gap between the rear fender and the bag, so there's a nice transition between the both, and we're gonna probably paint this to match the rest of the body panel, so it's gonna look really smooth and really really nice.
All right, so we got the new bar clamp and the cell set up. So what do we have here?
Yeah, so we had to switch this up for a 2004 Road King, I think is the classic, because the one we have is a custom, which comes with this ugly ass wind deflector. So we wanted to change that. We figured we'd take this off, but then when we took it off, there's like that indent. And changing this kind of resulted in this trim piece that didn't fit anymore. So we had to find this. Harley didn't make it anymore, so we had to find on eBay actually. So this setup's a lot cleaner. It's a lot nicer. It goes with the look, what we're looking for. So. All right, we're at the final stages of mock-up. Just finalizing a to-do list. So we mocked up pretty much everything we needed to. We got the exhaust mounted up for clearance purposes. We got one of the floorboards down so everything looks like it clears. We got a couple of things to do to the tank. What do we have left?
Yeah, so a little bit of trimming left. It fits pretty well with the seat, but just some final touches there, and then we can glue the tank shrouds onto the tank with panel bond. We still want to test out the latches just to make sure everything fits well. But other than that, everything is pretty much mocked up. We have we put these filler panels in to try to hide everything underneath there, all the suspension parts and everything. Yeah, everything's just loose for now, just to make sure everything fits. But so far, everything looks pretty good. So the next step, once the tank is glued, we're gonna take everything apart and get it ready for paint. So we started putting stickers on everything just so there's no confusion with our paint guys. For paint, we're gonna be going with Sketches Inc. here in Ottawa. They did a couple renders for us, so we're just going through that now, trying to pick which logo we want, what color, and all that stuff.
Yeah, placement and size and stuff. So
we're getting there. I mean, it's starting to look like something. It's pretty exciting.
Woo!
Yeah, let's get to work.
Here we go. Alright, we've got 69 seconds with these son of bitches.